Hey guys, what's up? It's Liam back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys and telling you guys how to make it. I am not going to make it on camera. If you want to see that video, it's the where I put this random stuff in the silly putty. But let's get into the vid. So this is my silly putty slime. I turned the silly putty into a good slime with a nice texture. Now the ingredients you guys will be needing to make it the softest and stretchiest you can is some lotion and shaving cream. I recommend Gillette's, but you can use whatever type of shaving cream you want. So you're just gonna have to make it into like a cup mixture and then put like, I don't know, maybe 3 to 5 squirts of lotion, then just knead it all in. And then do the same with shaving cream, but just add the same amount into the little cup. You can add more at the end if it's not as much. And then you add, and if it's not good enough, you just add more of the lotion. If it's not stretchy enough, add the lotion. If it's not soft enough, add in the shaving cream. And then to get the nice texture, you can just leave it like that. But to get the nice texture, you just want to add, here, I'll just see if I can get one out. This isn't for the looks. The silver glitter. Let's see if you guys can see it. You need these little silver glitters. You can get them, like, you can find them in some slimes, like this slime right here that was trash. If you don't use it, you can just get all of the glitter on the bottom and then like just put it in, start getting the glitter on, and then knead it all in. And you will get a nice texture of like almost like a buttery kind of texture. I wouldn't call it a butter slime. It feels kind of like slime, but like not like normal slime. You see, it can poke too. It's just not as easy as some slimes, but they do stay in. But yeah, I love this slime. Remember, the glitter isn't for the looks. If you want it for the looks, you're gonna have a horrible texture because you're gonna add way too much. But I would just add like that much just to make it like a kind of like there's a lot of glitter in, so that it makes a texture on the slime. I'm gonna play with it for you guys a bit. Now, the putty I'm using to turn into slime is just the silly putty. Yeah, they're like some of the best putties I could find for this. I really like the texture. It's really nice, and if you can hear my mom in the background. She's on the phone. Yeah, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video with me telling you and playing with how to make, telling you how to make and playing with this awesome putty, crunchy, no, not crunchy, I'd say textury, silly putty slime. And guys, so hope you guys all enjoyed, and peace out.